Hi folks, the summer season brings mangoes. Most of us love to eat mangoes. This time, don't discard mango seeds. Save as many as possible. Grey hair is a sign of aging. In the olden days, it is only common for the people above 50 years of age. Nowadays, people have grey hair even in 30s and 20s. Vitamin B12 deficiency, stress, junk food, and reduced catalase activity are the most common causes of grey hair. The ancient texts of Ayurveda mentioned the use of mango kernels for grey hair. Not many people know about the magical benefits of mango seeds, also called as mango kernels. According to a research, mango kernels are super rich in vitamins, minerals, catalase activity, including vitamin B12. As I said, these nutrients are very important to maintain hair natural color. In this video, we will see how to use mango kernels to make a powerful anti-grey hair and hair growth hair mask. Before you start, today is a nice sunny day. Make sure you have 2 sunny days in a row because we are going to sun dry. Now to make the recipe, we need 2 or 3 whole mangoes like these. You need ripe yellow sweet mangoes which are broad and big like this. Broad mangoes have large seed. The one I am using is a sweet mango from India. Cut the fruit part completely like this so you are only left with the seed. Scrape off as much as fruit you can using a spoon or knife to expose the seed. Now, normally everyone discards the seed. In this case, don't throw away the seed. Carefully cut open the seed to remove the kernel. For this, don't use knife. The shell is so hard and you cannot cut open with knife. Also, the knife might slip and can damage you. So use a scissors like this. Look at the thin side and carefully cut open that. Once it is slightly cut, use a knife or a spoon to open the shell. You get the most precious nutritious kernel. It has anti-cancer activity, antimicrobial activity, anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, anti-obese, and anti-aging activity along with several other benefits. Like this, I am cutting open 2 more mangoes, seed 2, seed 3. Total, I got 3 kernels. I think that is enough to make a good portion of this powder. Now wipe off the kernels with a paper towel to make it dry. Also keep your hands dry. Use dry knife and everything dry. Cut these kernels into small pieces like this. Peel off the top layer if that comes on the way. Cut them into nice small pieces. Now keep them on a paper towel and on a steel plate like this. As I said, we need to dry them in a shade on a sunny day. Make sure there is no rain for at least 2 days. I am drying them on a plate. For every 3 to 4 hours, just turn them so it dries evenly. Usually in 1 day they become properly dried, but based on weather, you might need to dry another day. I am drying for 2 days here. After drying for 2 days, they are fully dried. Now grind them in a mixer jar. You need a mixer that can make a powder. While grinding, keep checking in between to see if you are getting a real dry powder. Finally, you get a fine dry powder. If it is a little bit wet, you can dry it in the shade for a few hours. Well, making this powder is so cheap as we are using discarded mango seeds, but you can also buy mango seed powder, but it is very expensive to buy. Now take 2 tablespoons of this powder into a mixing bowl. Now we need henna. Many people think that henna powder is only used to naturally dye the hair. But the fact is, henna is super healthy for hair and helps in maintaining hair natural color. To this, add 2 tablespoons of henna powder. Henna can give a slight brown color to the hair. If you want to avoid henna completely, you can alternatively use curry leaf powder or amla powder. Let's take green tea. To this, add some green tea until the consistency is like a paste. If you need more paste for your hair, you can add 1 more spoon of mango kernel powder and 1 spoon of henna each. Mix it well until you get a paste. Leave it like that for 30 minutes so that the henna is activated. After 30 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and mix everything once again to make it into a smooth paste like this. This is a powerful super anti-grey hair and hair growth hair mask. Apply this mask all over the hair, mainly covering the roots, and leave it on like that for 1 hour. After 1 hour, rinse off your hair. Shampoo using a herbal shampoo or a mild shampoo. If you have leftover mango seed powder, store it in a glass jar. This remains good up to 2 months when stored at room temperature. Do this once a week. Within 3 months, you will see a beautiful, shiny, dark, healthy, growing hair. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.